Today we are going to talk about ask for advice. Imagine it when you ask a friend for help when you are stuck on something. We all face situations where we need guidance, whether it's in our personal lives or for business matters. Getting advice can help us see things more clearly. So, why do we use this technique? It's all about gathering information to solve problems, make decisions, or see things from different angles. It's helpful. When should you use it? Anytime you need help or advice, like for customer support in a business, or Q&A section on a website, or just making smart decisions. How do you make the most of it? You simply ask questions to ChatGPT, give some context, and share the details ChatGPT needs to give you the best response. Let's look at a couple of examples. Say you are struggling to find good sources for a research paper on pollution. You could ask, I'm having a hard time finding reliable sources for my research on pollution. Can you help me find credible resources? ChatGPT can give you tips like using trusted search engines and checking if sources are peer-reviewed. Another example could be if you are trying to improve your communication skills. You might say, I am having trouble managing to communicate people. Can you give me some advice on how to get better at managing my communication skills? ChatGPT can give you practical advice, just like a helpful friend would, using the ask for advice technique can give you helpful insights and solutions. Whether you are a student searching for research sources or just trying to be better at communication, this technique can be a real help. What's cool is that if you provide more details about your audience or the product you are promoting, ChatGPT can give even more tailored advice. This technique is flexible and can help with all sorts of challenges. To sum it up, asking ChatGPT for advice is a smart and time-saving way to deal with various problems in your personal and professional life. Whether you need advice on communication or tips for improving your marketing efforts, ChatGPT can be your go-to source for help. Stay tuned for more helpful techniques in our next videos.